It allows you probably a quarter of an inch more adjustment upward and downward than you can get out of the bigger bar. I wanted to go over our S197 upper control arm with you guys. The standard arm has urethane bushings and an 8620 tool steel inner sleeve, and it is a double adjustable piece. But we wanted to upgrade to something stronger for the heavier, high horsepower cars. So we came up with this that has dual spherical bushings. And the reason that we went with dual spherical bushings inside there was two reasons. One, to make this package smaller. We came out with this infinitely adjustable bracket, and everybody else, when they made their upper control arm, they put a great big knuckle on the front, and that causes you to lose adjustment because it's so big. When you adjust it down, it could come in contact with the housing, or when you adjust it up, it could come in contact with the floor. By keeping it the same size as our urethane bushing, it allows you probably a quarter of an inch more adjustment upward and downward than you can get out of the bigger bar, the bigger knuckled upper control arm. And again, these spherical bearings inside here have a 6,000 pound load rating. So it's times two because there's two of them in there. So there's a 12,000 pound load rating. It's a COM 12 bushing. Typically everybody went to a COM 16 or a COM 20, which has a 9 or a 10,000 pound pull out load rating. And this has a 12,000 pounds, so it's stronger and it's more compact. We also use the same 8620 inner sleeve, and it's captured on the inside, and these bearings are fully rebuildable and fully replaceable. There's a couple of snap ring grooves in there. You just pop the snap ring out and everything comes apart so that you can rebuild this, add a new tool steel sleeve, add new spherical bearings if they do go bad. And it's completely and totally rebuildable, and it will take the high horsepower that you guys have with the Whipple superchargers and the turbos. It's definitely capable of handling the 2,000 plus horsepower that you guys are now making.